Hello guys, welcome back to Simple Login Tutorial Series. In the last couple of videos, we created the form layout, and added username and password fields. If you have not seen those videos, please watch it first. Alright, now we need to add a Remember Me checkbox, and a Forgot Password link. So let's do that. Create a row div, with 2 columns. We will use the first column for the checkbox, and the other for password reset option. OK, now, open the Bootstrap page, and from the Forms category, select the Validation option. Now, scroll down to the Server-Side tab. Here, we can use this checkbox. So, let's copy the HTML code from below, and paste it into the first column. Alright, let's see how it looks. Not bad. Okay, let's remove the invalid class, and change the field label to Remember Me. Now, remove this validation feedback. And, let's try it on the browser. Beautiful. Alright, now, let's add the Forgot Password link. Go to the Bootstrap page, and from the Helpers category, select Colored Links option. Here, use any of these colored links. For now, let's copy the primary link, and paste it in the second column. OK, let's see how it looks. Well, let's align this to the right. To align text, Bootstrap provides text utility classes. Here, we can use this TextEnd class to align text to the right. So, let's try it. OK, it works. Now, let's change the screen size, and see how it looks. Well, it's not so responsive. So, in the first column, set the default size to 12, and for small, or wider screens, set it to 6. OK, now let's try again. Good, it's not perfect, but this will do for now. And, finally, add some bottom margin to the row. Alright, now, let's create the login button. To do that, at first, create a column div in the form wrap. Now go to the Bootstrap page, and from the Components category, select Buttons link. As you can see here, Bootstrap provides various button styles and customization options. Read this page for more details. For now, copy this primary button and paste it in the column. OK, now change the button text and try it on the browser. Well, it's too small. Let's make it a little wider and align it to center. Still the same. To overcome this issue, Bootstrap has block button classes. Let's see how it works. In the Bootstrap Buttons page, there is a block button section. As it mentioned here, we can make full-width buttons with these classes. But we don't need full-width button. So, just scroll down, and here it says, we can use this class, along with column classes, and adjust the button width. OK. Then, let's copy these block button classes, and paste it into our button column. Alright, now, let's see how it looks. OK, it looks good. Now, let's add some bottom margin. Alright, now the last thing we need here is the registration link. For that, we can use this Forgot Password link. OK, let's change the text, and try it on the browser. Excellent. Now let's try some other color. Alright, our login form is almost ready. We will do some final customization in the next session. If you learned something new in this video, Please drop a thumbs up, and subscribe to this channel. Alright. Thank you for watching, see you in the next session.